we're at the water park. I couldn't stay away. It's hotter than crap today. It's like 95 degrees again. There you go. All right, I'm gonna go hit slides. Alrighty, grab a tube. Oh boy. Oh, this is a good one. I think I'm gonna try this right here. This is the Snowstormers. There we go. This is fast. All I gotta say was that was wild. That was the fastest slide I have ever been on in my life. And it's like water is in your face. I don't know how to do that one again. We are at the sick man's castle. He's sneezing. Here we go. Oh yeah.